Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 19, Quranic verses, showing the way to good and helping one another to goodness and piety. Call to the way of your Lord with wisdom and fair exhortation. Surah An-Nahl, chapter 16, verse 125. There must be among you a community calling to good. Surah Al-Imran, chapter 3, verse 104. Help one another in virtue and goodness, and righteousness and piety. Surah Al-Ma'idah, chapter 5, verse 2. By time, especially the last part of it, heavy with events, most certainly human is in loss, except those who believe and do good, righteous deeds, and exhort one another to truth, and exhort one another to steadfast patience in the face of misfortunes and suffering in Allah's way, and in doing good deeds and not committing sins. Surah Al-Asr, chapter 103, verses 1 to 3. Hadith number 100, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Imara, 133. Abu Mas'ud Uqba ibn Amr al-Ansari al-Badri, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Anyone who shows the way to something good has the same reward as the person who does it." Hadith number 101, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Jihad, 38. Sahih Muslim, Imara, 135. Abu Abdurrahman Zayd ibn Khalid al-Juhani, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "Anyone who equips a fighter in the path of Allah fights as well, and anyone who looks after a fighter's family during his absence fights as well." Hadith number 102, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Waqala, 16. Sahih Muslim, Zakah, 79. Abu Musa al-Ash'ari, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "A trustworthy Muslim agent who carries out what he is instructed to do fully, generously, and cheerfully, and pays it to the person to whom he was ordered to pay it, is one of those who give sadaqah."